Hi, I am Imran. I'm an Android developer at Agilic. I'm here to help you with creating your own Android application for Storybook. Okay, so before we begin, we need to download the code from codestore.co.uk. Here you can download your Android application. Click on Storybook project, and you can also download a demo application where you can run it on your Android devices. So go ahead and purchase the application. Once you purchase the application, you will get your documentation as well as the code. So once you download the code, you'll get a zip file, unzip it. Once you unzip the file, you'll get all the required code here. So once we get the code, we would also need Android Developer Tools (ADT). So go to developer.android.com/sdk/index.html. You will get a bundled uh, Android developer tool, which would give you Eclipse and SDK as well. So once we download those tools, you will be ready to run your application and build your own application. So let's begin. I have my own Eclipse application here. So as you can see, I have loaded everything up, and so there's no application here. Now I'm going to show you how to import an application to Eclipse. So go to Package Explorer, right click on it and click on Import, and select existing Android code into Workspace. Click on Next. Browse to the file where the application is stored. So yep, that's Storybook. Click on Open, and you see your application is loaded here. Click on Finish. Once you have done that, you would need to create your own files for your storybook, and the format for files is there should be a JPEG image, pagex.jpg, and if you want a narration audio for the image as well, you can load the narration audio for the same page. That should be pagex underscore narrate.mp3. And if you want a layer to pop up over the JPEG image, you can create a file pagex underscore layer.png. And if you want a user to tap on the phone, and you want to play back some audio, you can create a tap audio pagex underscore tap.mp3. X here is a numeric value, starts from 1, and you can take it up to any number. So make sure for every page the related files should have the same number. If it is page1.jpg, then it should be page1 underscore narrate.mp3, page1 underscore layer.png, page1 underscore tab.mp3. So once we have done that, we need to add those files to the project. So let's go to the application. Say in the project, click on the project. You will find a folder called assets. Um, Open the folder. You'll find the folder called pages. Leave the folder like that. We want the name of the folder to be pages itself, pages. Even if you delete the folder, put a folder which has the name pages, pages. Okay. So once we have done that, I'm going to delete the existing files. I'm going to add new files into the project. So I have my files here, pages, and I can actually drag these files and put it here. Or if you have many files, we can actually go to the application itself, and we can copy these files and put it in the application folder here. So once we have done that, you go right click on the project and click on refresh. All your pages will be available here. Once we have done that, we need to configure the application. The important point here is Google Play Store actually recognizes your application with the specific application package. package name. So make sure you change your application package name. Go to the project, right click on the project, and go to Android tools and click on rename application project package. So I'm going to rename this as sample storybook, com.agilic.sample storybook, or you can rename it whatever you like to. So make sure you follow the convention for the package names. Click on OK. And once we have done that, we would like to change the application name that is going to display on the Android device as well. So once we have done that, we are going to go select the project, go to resources folder, and you have a folder called values. Open the folder and open the file strings.xml. Once we open that file, there's a name app underscore name. Change the app name to whatever name you like to. I'll rename it as sample storybook and save this file. Once we have saved this file, we would also like to we have changed the application package and the package name as well, uh, and application name as well. Now we need to add icon to the application. Go to the application, click on the application, right click on the application, and then go to new, and then select other. Select Android icon section, icon set under Android, and click on next. And don't change anything, just click on next, and you can select your own icon here. I have my own icon here, so I'm just going to select that. Click on open, and once we get that, we can actually change the application the icon padding, or circle or square, or whatever you like to, and then click on finish. Just click on S to all. Once we have done that, just click on the application and click on source. Right click on the application, click on source, and click on organize imports. That will load all the specific values required for the application. So once we have done that, and we would require we have changed the icon. We need to give the application its website. So go to the application, click on source folder, open the package, and open there's a file called settings.java. Just open the file. You can change the website here. You can change it to, say, let's say google.com, and make sure http:// is always there, and save the file. Okay. And once we have done that, once we have put our website in, we need to add a how-to image. Uh, uh, in your application folder, there is a folder resource. Open it, and there is a folder called rawables-hdpi. This is a how-to image we have added, so you can change the image. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna add my own how-to image, a sample image which I have here. So what I'm gonna do is drag this and drop it here. Copy. Yep. So make sure the name of the image is how underscore 2.png. Once we have done that, we are ready to test the application and run it on the devices. So let's run the application. Right click on the application, go to run as, and run as Android application. You can see here that the application is loading. So the application is loaded. So I'll show you how the application is. Yep, that's it. So we have here a menu button wherein you can go to the pages, and when you click on how to, it takes you to the how to image which I have loaded recently. Then click on back, and then you can actually click on visit website to go to your website. And if you click on hide, the menu will hide. And I'll click on I will read, and then you can see the animations as well. So you can swipe through the images. You can't actually properly see the animations because I'm running a different application on the screen. So when you're running it on your own device, you will see the actual animations happening. So uh, once we have done that, you would actually need to sign the application. You will need a Google Play Store account or Google Play Developer Console. Just search on Google for Google Play Console, and you can sign up and create your own account. And once you have done that, you will get a key which you can sign your applications with. So I'll show you how to sign the application. Go to the application, click on the application, right click on the application, and go to Android Tools, and then export signed application package. So once we have done that, we can click on next, and then wherever you download your key, you just browse and put your key here. Yeah. So that's it, and your application is ready, and it can be published on Google Play Store. So if you have any customizations, or if you have any requirements of your own, you could actually email us at codestore@agilic.com. I'll provide all the information and all the links required for this video in the description below. And for any more information, you can also visit our website agilic.com. And yes, we develop amazing web apps as well, and applications for Android and iOS as well. We develop HTML5 applications for Android and iOS as well. Do visit our website, and thank you.